I'm Dr. Vibhuti, pediatric ENT surgeon and allergy specialist working at Madhupur Rainbow Children's Hospital. Every day, I meet little ones with a variety of typical and atypical presentations whose roots often lies in ENT issues. From common presentations like stuffy or runny nose, chronic cold, throat infections or ear infections, to more complex symptoms like snoring, breathing troubles, speech delays, etc. Some signs easy to be missed include mouth breathing, restless sleep, unclear speech, inattentiveness in class. These kind of symptoms may be due to enlarged adenoids, fluids in the ear, chronic allergies. As a pediatric ENT, we work with the parents to decode such signs. When caught and treated early, it prevents long-term issues with hearing, speech, and growth. Our goal is to help the kids breathe better, hear better, speak their minds, and thrive. Thank you.